Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to renew fertilizer insecticide manufacturing license in Odisha. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now you have to click on the login button. In the login section, you have to enter your username, password along with the captcha code. Then click on the login button. So after login, you can click on the insecticide menu at the right corner of the page. Under the dealer section, you can click on the apply for e-license option. Read all the instructions and then click on the next button. Complete the registration details and click the next button. Complete the technical person details also and then click the next button. Then you can select the products based on the selection. The fee will be charged. To attach your file, you can click on the choose file option. So now you can upload all the necessary documents. Now preview the details center and click the checkbox under self-declaration. Your pop-up box will general instruction will appear. Please read carefully and proceed accordingly and then click on the OK button. And we will get a notification after the issue of the renewal license on this dashboard. And you can download the e-generated QR code e-licenses from the My Box section. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us. So we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos.